Let's get it. All right, got the charts up. Yesterday we took try to execute on a breakout candle on the 15. It played out, but we didn't close at the right area. So the entry was great. The exit was trash. So we see what we get today. We're already in this tight range here on the higher time frame. We go to the 4 hour. You see we're in this supply area. We're in this supply zone right here. Right. Let's see. We'll mark this up at the liquidity level. Yeah, right now we're right here, right in the supply zone on the 4 hour. So yeah, pretty much gonna wait for the 5 minute to break. And we can get in on a nice execute on a nice breakout candle to the downside or to the upside. It's kind of looking like the same as yesterday. So today we have much more clear range to the left. There's nothing really here to the left until this liquidity level up here at 749. So just waiting to see how this is going to play out today. So we got a key level here. We got another key level here with area to fill. So I wouldn't be surprised if we tank right now. But I love short, so that's kind of always my thing. Wouldn't be surprised if it tanks. Looks like we may get a breakout. I'm not sure. Let's just see how this plays out. Man, today is Wednesday, June 25th. See if NAS can pay us today. See, we got the VWAP. We're in the uptrend. So the market is telling us to look for buys. We have a breakout candle right here on the 5. So we have a potential early buy opportunity here. And we still have a lot of room to keep going up. There's really nothing here to our left to slow us down. You have to go to the higher time frames to really see some history. Um, yeah, I'm actually about to get in for buys here. See how this closes. Yeah, that closed pretty good. Getting in for buys. Bringing my stop loss up. Right to underneath this level here. So, and I'll be targeting. Let's go to the higher time frame. I'm targeting the whole thing today. Targeting the whole 1,000 today. We might even be a good for 1 to 5. I mean, a 1 to 3. Let me see how this plays out. I mean, there's a lot of room here. There's a lot of room here. We'll see how this breakout candle plays out. Already up a fair amount. I'm just gonna go to break even here, just because it's not 9:30 yet. But this is a great opportunity, so we weren't gonna miss it. Now, if we can pass this, then we're out in the clear. I'm gonna give it a little more room to breathe. If we can break this wick here, I think we should be off to the races. Okay, we just push past it a little bit. Let's see if we just keep going. It's a decent sign. So this setup came a little early today. But we're showing up at 8:45, so it's a green light. Once this candle closes, I'm moving to break even. And I'm doing that because we shouldn't revisit this price here, right? If this is in my opinion, if this is a true breakout, we're going to close here, and we're just going to keep moving on up. Just going to keep moving on up. All right, it might have a little drawdown here, but we shouldn't revisit our entry price here. I mean, we have a lot of room to just keep going. Like I said, there's not much data in the chart, so my target really could be something serious today. All right, I'm going to break even. This candle is closed. I'm sitting at break even now. There's no reason for us to come back to revisit this price. If we do, then I believe that we're going to start reversing. So sitting at a free trade now. So this was also the breakout candle on the 15. See here, we got out of this little range. This is the breakout candle on the 15. So I'm thinking a slight pullback, then blow back up to the upside. See how we're looking on the hour. The hour's just been an uptrend. We had a breakout candle at 7 o'clock. Or actually, this was the breakout candle at 6. So we've just been pushing up. Let's see if we can just ride this wave and this market just keeps trending up. I said at this point, it should have been something that I did yesterday was one, move our stop to break even, especially knowing that it was a high risk area for reversal. I saw that it on the 5 and the 15, there's a supply. But I was going with the higher time frames, which the higher time frames played out on the 1 hour. But in the smaller time frames, right, we're doing a lot of up and down. So right trade idea, bad execution on where to exit, where to get out, how to protect the bag. So today, focus on protecting the bag. Right now, we're sitting at a free trade, and really focus on where's our exit. Right here is not very clear. Right on the 5 minute, I've basically nothing to my left is a ghost town, no data. I go to the 15, the same thing. It's a ghost town. It's basically no data. Right, so we need to go to the higher time frames to really get a good look of where we're at. Go to the hour, still damn near ghost town. We have to go all the way back to February this year. Is it February this year? Yeah, February this year. Um, yeah, I'm thinking right now we probably would target this key level up here, 2665. Let's see. Right now, I have my normal 1 to 2. So trying to make 50 points. That's really just the goal for the day is to hit 50 points. Um, we have basically no data to our left. I think we should hit this. I think we should just keep pushing up, following this uptrend. I'm not sure if sellers were stepped in anybody's way right now. Hopefully not. Hopefully we can get this 50 points today and keep it moving. We'll see. It's 9:05. Pushing down pretty heavy right now. On the 15, it looks much cleaner as far as having confidence that we can just keep going up. It's like we're losing a lot of momentum. All right, came crashing back down on us. So no 50 on the upside today. Again, there's no data here for the left to tell me to get out right here. There's nothing here to tell me, hey, there's a potential exit right here. So um, looks like we may start respecting this supply zone on the 4 hour. Right now, this candle's creating a nice supply. You see, I lost a little bit here, $7 on all accounts. Try to have it at break even. I should probably move it up, maybe like $10, so that way I don't lose anything in it. Covers the fees at least. Right now, I'm just trying to see where we're at on this 4. So it looks like it filled out this area here. And now it's starting to reverse. See how this plays out. Right now we're in a potential 4 hour supply zone. Market is pretty flat today. It's not a lot of movement. You can see here. Normally we go by tens, sometimes even 20s. This is going up 4 points, 5 points. It's 9/11. It's looking like a potential sell off on the 15. Yeah. So you can see here where we're playing around right in this supply zone on the 4 hour. So this is where we're at right now. Playing around right in here. So we have a nice supply zone area to fill. You can see now if this if this will hold up. See if that supply will hold up. If not, just keep pushing up to the upside. I tried to take this breakout here, but it came all the way down and hit me at break even. And now let's push it back up. It's 9:15. 9:15 coming up. I'll just keep walking over my levels, try to squeeze the price, get an idea of what direction we're going to go in. Pretty far from VWAP. VWAP is way down here, but the market is moving pretty slow. It's not a lot of volume today. You in? All right. So yeah, it's on the stream going over. We have a 4 hour demand or a 4 hour supply. We've been in this crazy uptrend. Been in this crazy uptrend for a minute. Let's see what we get here. We're still trading above VWAP, but we are in a 4 hour supply. So I think if we get a break of structure here on this 5, we got a potential entry to hold and get out around. Let's see. Area to fill. We got all this down here. Yeah, because Yeah, we're in the 4 hour supply. Um, so we could see a huge rejection here, but we have been in this massive uptrend and we are trading above VWAP. So I think we can just take the breakout in either direction. It's 920. Because we do have a lot of area to come down to if the market decides to respect this supply. It's pretty flat today, though. Getting back to these all-time highs, man. Yeah. Man, if we ever break out to the upside, we have more than enough room to get our 50. Um, yeah, it's more than enough room to get our 50 here. We don't really have much data to the left to tell us where to get out until the 4 hour, which is way up here. So yeah, if we come on down to the downside, we'll get out at 467. If we come down to the downside, get out at 467. What's up? Yeah, yeah. Prices is high. Prices is high. We are high, but we gonna Just keep doing what the market is telling us to do. So it's about to be 9:25. Candle's about to start. Dang. I said though, we are in the uptrend. We are trading above VWAP. Normally, typically, we will be searching and hunting for buys. One of the buy opportunities is right here. But we are in a 4-hour supply zone, and we are approaching back to high prices. So when we get to these high prices, people like to sell off back down. So, but we're gonna take this breakout in either direction. It's kind of, if you were going to take this 4-hour supply, we should have already been in this a sell from around here, and then you're banking on holding it. However, there's not a lot of value in the market right now, so it's pretty flat. Yeah. I have, if we're selling off, I have us getting out at 467. So yeah, but that is a nice demand setup right there. We could take a buy. You can take a buy either at 467 or 461. Right. So whatever price you like best, but it's very flat. Like it's not a lot of this is not a lot of points right now. Like even this right here, this is only 50 points down. Yeah, we ain't got a lot going on right now. See where we get this candle. We got 2 minutes before market opens. So we can take this breakout to the downside, but we have to get out at 467. This trade, you only have to risk about 14 points if we were going to the downside. It's about 14 points both ways. So probably won't have to risk about 14 to, well, it all depends on how whatever candles breaks too. So oh man. Got 1 minute. All right. Still finding support right there. Still just trading in this range. It's a 930 candle. You know, if they wanted to wipe these traders out real quick. Looks like it's ready to possibly take off. Let's see. Let's see. It's crazy. Bro, I was supposed to be in this trade. I moved my stop loss up. I got in on this breakout right here, but I moved my stop loss back up to break even. That's why you see this -7. But since it wasn't 930 yet, you know how pre-market be. I'm like, nah, I'm keeping a tight stop. Let's see how this closes though. All we need to do is close above. We will be good money. I see people took buys at this support level and was hoping that it was just going to break through since we're in an uptrend, trading above VWAP. Starting to reverse. Was that a sweep right there, bro? Still got a minute. Have it play out. See where we close out. All right, bro. Get these your market order. Yeah, we got 20 seconds. So we got 10. right, I'm about to hit the buy. I'm in. All right, I'm holding this one for 50. See what we get here. We might have a slight pullback, push back up, or we might just keep going. I don't see anything on the lower time frames to stop us from getting to this 50. Like there's nothing here on the 5, nothing here on the 15. You really have to go to the 4 hour or the day, and you can see that um, we basically want to keep pushing and finishing out this supply. See what we get. But we are in the uptrend. We are trading above VWAP. So still pointing to buys. If you wanted to play it safe, you could take the 1-on-1, just make your 500. This market is slow today, though. We're only 30 points away, but this market ain't really moving. We do have a potential demand set up underneath us right here. Bro, you moving to break even? Well, we there. Going up to about $10 in profit. It's crazy. I know it's flat because 50 looks so far away on the 5. It's like you can hardly see it. Man, I'm going to earn this 50 today, god damn it. It's like you get one more opportunity for a 1-to-1 right here, bro. Oh, you took your 1-to-1? I think I might close. It's so flat. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm done at 466, 465. You have a possible re-entry. Let's see performance here. Still down 319 on the week. But yeah, psychology getting to you this week. Earl seen it turn around, said, I'm out. To have a cleaner exit, I should have brought my thing back to 5. I don't like that it closed at 465. It's pretty trash. But winners are still bigger than the losers. So 465, I didn't lose 465 this week. So I'm sitting at a negative 319 on this Wednesday. We're up 2263 on the month. You can see I've been getting wrecked on Tuesdays. That's across 3 accounts. So I'm out. Lock the accounts down. It's a pretty flat day. I won't be surprised we come back to the charts later and this thing just keeps running up. But that's gonna be it. I'm out.